Welcome to Akraks Health and Fitness. Today we're diving into 10 essential guides to a healthier body, simple but powerful habits that can transform your health and well-being. From nutrition and exercise to mindset and self-care, these steps will help you build a stronger, healthier, and happier version of yourself. Stay tuned till the end for a bonus tip that could change your fitness journey forever. Let's get started. 1. Eat whole, nutrient-dense foods. First things first, your body thrives on nutrient-rich foods. Think of your meals as fuel for your health. Here's a simple rule. Eat whole, unprocessed foods. Load up on lean proteins like chicken and fish, healthy fats like avocados and nuts, and fiber-rich foods like vegetables and whole grains. Avoid ultra-processed snacks, sugary drinks, and fast food as much as possible. A well-balanced diet is the foundation of a healthier body. Number 2, stay hydrated. Hydration is key. Your body is made up of 60% water, and staying hydrated keeps your energy levels high, improves digestion, and even enhances your skin. Try this. Aim for 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Start your morning with a glass of water. Infuse your water with lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. When you're properly hydrated, your body functions at its best. 3. Move your body daily. Exercise isn't just for weight loss, it's for a strong and energized body. Aim for at least 30 minutes of movement daily. Mix it up. Cardio for heart health, walking, running, cycling. Strength training for muscle and metabolism. Body weight exercises, resistance bands, yoga and stretching for flexibility and mobility. Find something you love. Dance, hike, or swim. Just keep moving. 4. Get enough sleep. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Your body repairs itself while you sleep, affecting everything from muscle recovery to brain function. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Avoid screens before bedtime. Blue light messes with your sleep cycle. Stick to a bedtime routine. A cool, dark room helps you fall asleep faster. Better sleep equals better health. 5. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your health, weakening your immune system, causing weight gain, and affecting mental clarity. Stress management tips. Practice deep breathing and meditation. Take short breaks throughout the day. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. A calm mind leads to a healthier body. 6. Cut back on sugar and processed foods. Too much sugar can lead to weight gain, energy crashes, and even chronic diseases. Reducing processed foods is one of the best things you can do for your health. Try this. Swap sugary drinks for water or herbal tea. Choose whole fruit instead of candy. Read food labels. Watch for hidden sugars. Your body will thank you. 7. Eat mindfully. Ever finish a meal without even realizing you ate? That's mindless eating. Instead, practice mindful eating. Chew slowly and savor your food. Eat without distractions, no screens. Stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed. Listening to your body helps prevent overeating and improves digestion. 8. Strengthen your immune system. Narrator. A strong immune system is your body's best defense against illness. Eat antioxidant-rich foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens. Take in vitamin C and D from citrus fruits and sunlight. Get enough sleep and reduce stress. When your immune system is strong, your body is unstoppable. 9. Build a positive mindset. Your mind and body are connected. A positive mindset fuels motivation and long-term health success. Set realistic health goals. Surround yourself with positivity. Celebrate progress, not just perfection. A healthy body starts with a healthy mind. 10. Stay consistent and make it a lifestyle narrator. And finally, the secret to success is consistency. Small daily habits add up to big results over time. Start with 1 or 2 changes at a time. Track your progress and stay accountable. Don't quit, trust the process. Health isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Keep going.